Hello YouTube. Today we're going to take a look at the M54A2 5-ton 6x6 cargo truck by AFV Club. It is 1/35 scale, and we're also going to take a look at these resin figures that came from eBay. Alright, let's get into this. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the figures first. These are all of the riders for the back of this truck. There's some equipment. See how good that looks on top of some ammunition crates. There is an ammunition crate. Get some of our heads. Weapons here, some more heads, some helmets. These all look great. Like I said, these were bought from eBay. I don't know who originally made these, because sometimes it doesn't say. You can see they're highly detailed. Some more weapons. Let me get focused. You can see they all look great. Got a guy napping. More helmets. Oh, come on. Well, this thing just doesn't want to get in the focus today. But as you can see, they all look great. These are the figures. Lots of detail, lots of potential. Very nice. Okay, let's take a look at this cargo truck. There is the front. As you can see, it's a Vietnam era truck. 1/35 scale. Ages 14 and up. Look at the bottom of the truck, your decals that come with it. The other side, same as the other. And then we get some pictures of what the truck looks like. Looks great. All right, let's take a look inside. Okay, here are the instructions. Nice, it tells you different colors. A little bit about the cargo truck. And here we go. Here's all the good stuff. I can tell you right now, just looking at all the parts packs, this is a highly detailed kit. There is a bunch of stuff that goes to this. This is not a one-day project, that's for sure. Lots of stuff. I mean, and you can see, look at all that detail that you can put into this. Very nice kit. Very nice. They definitely don't slouch. There's all of your parts and everything. There is your paint schemes. Looks very nice. So there is the tarp that goes over top, or you can just leave it open. I'll probably leave it open, but look at how thin this is. You can see it's very detailed, very thin, so really looks great. And you could really put some work into that and make that look extremely realistic. Just that alone. Okay, here is the other tarp for the front. Hopefully you can see these good. These are all the decals. There's a lot of white on that white sheet, so they're kind of hard to see. But that is all the decals that come with this. All right, there are some photo etched parts right here. And then we have some of these. I assume these are probably for the wheels, or I'm not quite sure yet, but that's usually what those are for, so that they spin. And that would make sense, 2 front and then the 4 rear, even though they're duals. You see we got some rope and a chain in there. And then this came with that same bag. There's your toolkit. The shovel, axe, pick, and the rack that goes on attached to the truck. All right, here are the gas cans. Got your fuel tank, some other parts. Okay. Looks like other parts. Of the, probably the frame. I don't know, that one gum is kind of looks like the mirrors, but I don't think that's, no, they're not. Probably a lot of different oddball parts. And that is the same exact tree. Let me show you how this came. Okay, so here are all your clear parts. I never take those out, that way they don't get scratched up. But look at all this. Those were all attached. I'll tell you, they really do a job. And after being used to some of these other outfits selling their kits, usually you just get a bag that you kind of either cut or pull open. They really went all out here, and everything was attached. All these were all together at one point. But that is one pack. Okay, here are the next 2. They're both the same. It's like you got your rack pieces, a lot of the back there. You get 2 of these. Next up are your wheels and tires. Right there. They are plastic, no rubber. Some more. Better look at the detail. Very, very nice. And you also get 2 of these. Okay, and this one is mainly your bed. As you can see, right there. And I will flip that over so you can see the bottom. The other side looks pretty good. Next one is, looks like a lot of your frame and engine. Kind of get in close there. Right there. Very well done. Always like the detail. Okay, looks like pretty much all of this is the cab. And you get another roof there. That looks like that is the steel version. Very nice. Let's take a look. Oh, here we go. Look at the dashboard. Looks really nice and detailed. Very nice kit. And then we have the rest of the cab, the hood, a lot of other small parts. Looks very good. right, well, I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you like what you saw, you need to go pick one of these up ASAP. And they still sell them with a lot of other kits. So all in all, pretty nice kit. Looks really good. Make a great diorama, especially with these guys in the back. Have it going down a road anywhere in the country, maybe in a city. Find some other guys to go with it. Maybe some Vietnamese civilians to put around. But that'll make a nice diorama at some point. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take the time out to thank a veteran, thank them for their service, and God bless.